Now it's going to be locked in place and it's not going to move. But then I can come back in the shot. We can give it our hand signal, and now it's going to follow us again around the room. So it's very responsive and it works great. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the OBSBOT Me. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. I've also reviewed other OBSBOT products on my channel, so please be sure to check out those videos. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Looks great. Really love the product photography on here. This is the OBSBOT Me. This is an AI-powered selfie phone mount with no app required. It features advanced AI tracking, gesture control, quick pick, and a foldable design. We can learn all about it on the back of the box. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and check out the contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see we have our warranty card followed by our user guide and manual available in multiple languages, walking us through all the products, setup, instructions, and features, how to balance our mobile device, how to adjust the metal plate with the included tool, tighten or loosen it. Clockwise is tighten, counterclockwise is loosen. Power button controls. We have our gesture instructions, status indicator lights, and they also have their customer service and contact information on the back. You can check them out online. Next, you can see we have our tool to adjust the metal plate. Then you can see we have our USB Type A to USB Type C power cable. Next, you can see a very nice carrying and storage case, as well as the Me device in here. You can see first up we have a tripod. So check that out. We have an included tripod with OBSBOT logo and branding on it. Then you can see we have our phone holder and mount right here. So pretty cool. Check that out. You can see the phone holder and it's just under tension. So you can get a feel for that. We can rotate it 360 degrees. There's our adjustment if we need to use the included tool to turn it to the left or to the right to tighten or loosen. Then you can see we have OBSBOT logo and branding. We have a camera built right in there. And then you can see on the bottom, we have our threaded connector if we want to attach this to the included tripod or a different tripod. And then you can see we have our USB Type C port on the back as well for this device. So now let's go ahead, let's get everything set up. So setup's very simple and straightforward. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use the included tripod and we're going to attach it to the base right here. Just your simple standard connector. So there we go, we just twisted it in place. And now you can see we can freely move this arm. So let's go ahead, let's put it all the way in the utmost position right here. You can also see this is gonna be the front with the OBSBOT logo, our camera, and our power button. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna set it on the tripod. Everything looks great so far. This is really cool. And now we're ready to install our phone. And keep in mind at this stage, if this is too tight or too loose, you can use the included tool. And then you can turn it counterclockwise or clockwise to loosen or tighten as needed. So let's go ahead, let's take our mobile device. And since we'll probably want to shoot some selfie videos, we're going to just go ahead and gently get it installed right there. So you can see we have it installed with the nice phone holder. So check that out from that side. You can see now we have our phone installed. So we're ready to go ahead and let's power it on. So we're going to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. And then it's going to power on for us. We have a blue light right there. So I know it's powered on and you can see it's getting its bearings. And now we're going to rotate it a smidge. You can see it's blinking blue and now it's green. It's got a solid green line. So it's not doing any tracking right now or anything like that once we have it powered on. So now we can configure to have it lock in on somebody or unlock and track using smart AI with no app required. So if you want to have it be locked in, that's going to be the green indicator light that you see right here illuminated. It's not going to track me. But if we press the button one time, now it's going to enable smart tracking. So you can see it's trying to move around and follow me. I'm not doing anything. This is magic, right? It's just tracking my face. Now you may have noticed with my hands up like this, we did change it. So now it's back to tracking. But that's how you can do it hands-free as well. So if you just hold your hand up like this, it's going to switch between the two options. Now I'm moving, nothing's happening, right? But now I'm going to put my hand back out, and you can see the light has changed to blue. And now it's going to work on following us all around. So let's go ahead, let's fire up some video, and let's try this out. All right, so check it out. You can see I'm taking a selfie video right here, and we currently have it locked, so it's not tracking with me as I move around. Let's go ahead, let's give it a nice signal so it can now start to track me. And you can see how responsive it is to my movement. So if you're using this to teach remotely or give a presentation remotely, you shouldn't have any issues. It's near, instantaneous with its tracking. So you can really up your virtual conference game, presentation, teaching, whatever you're doing with a product like this. Or if you're taking your own videos, selfies, TikToks, whatever you're doing, and you want to have something follow you around the room, check this out. You can see it's really tracking with me, and it's super fast and responsive. Watch as I go over here into kind of a harsh environment with a studio light and some soundproof foam, and it's still able to find my face and track with me, and I can issue a command right here. And now it's going to be locked in place and it's not going to move. But then I can come back in the shot. We can give it our hand signal. And now it's going to follow us again around the room. So it's very responsive and it works great. All right, guys. So I just walked around with our OBSBOT Me right here, and it can almost go 360 degrees, but unfortunately it can't go the whole way. So I'm taking a quick selfie video right here. We're at the maximum distance it's able to go. So watch as it tracks me now. Go in the other direction. So you can see we're going to move around the room. I have a pretty harsh lighting environment here too, with all the window lights. It's dark and it's light at the same time, so the exposure is a little tricky. We have some lamps on. You can see all that background lighting. So here we go. We're almost back to where we started. So that's going to be it right here. It's not going to go any further. And to go that other way, you'd have to actually continue to go back this way. So that's what we're doing right here. Let's have it follow us all the way back. But you can see the panning right there. Very smooth, really fluid. And we have a wide range of motion and movements. And again, look at the chairs, the obstacles we have here for the AI. And it's still able to track us. And now you can see we're back to where we started. And that's it right there. Can't go any further. But you can see a wide range of movement. So you might be wondering, well, David, hey, how long does this thing last? It's pretty cool that it's battery powered. Well, I'm so glad you asked. So this features a 950 milliamp hour internal battery that can last up to 120 minutes, and it takes around 75 minutes to fully charge. So let me share with you my final thoughts in regards to the OBSBOT Me AI powered phone mount. This thing is very smart, super responsive, and I'm pleased with the quality. Overall, it is really, really cool. And the best part is there's no app required. Film your videos as you please. Use this for Zoom, online presentations, working from home, school from home, anything along those lines. You have your own virtual camera operator right here. The AI is super responsive and everything works great. Not having an app is by far this product's best feature. Very, very pleased with it. In the future though, there are a couple things I'd want to see improved. The first one is being able to have 360-degree rotation so you could endlessly move around however you please. The second thing is maybe an option to adjust the height. I know we could attach this to a different tripod, but it'd be cool to have the ability to adjust the height automatically as well. So not only could it track you basically just panning, but we could also get some of that vertical height adjustments as well. That would be a super cool feature in the future. I'm not even sure if that's possible and what sort of gimbals, brushless motors, and axes you would need to make that possible, but having some sort of maybe digital extension going up and down automatically depending on your movements would be super cool to see that built out in a future version of this product. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.